Bernard.
He is fixing the brakes on his bicycle.
Oh, really? That's not a bad thing to do.
All right, David, come listen to Three Little Birds.
What's the name of the song?
Three Little Birds by Bob Marley.
Bob Marley.
It's a reggae song.
He's the one that originally did I Shot the Sheriff and used to love that song. Yeah, Bob Marley.
Okay.
Okay.
Right, David, leave her alone. So
Leave her
she
alone
can
and let her
play.
play it, David.
Touching her.
I was hoping you would take a picture of this too. Okay. Saying don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright. Woke up this morning, smiled at the rising sun. Three little birds sit by my porch step, singing sweet songs of melodies pure and true. Singing, this is my message to you. Saying don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright. Saying don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright.
Oh, thank you, Holly. That was so pretty. Yay!